Hi, this is Dr. Seema Kotak, a homeopath, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of meditation. So, why meditation? Let me explain. Well, centuries ago, when our ancestors used to live in the forest and eat fruits, berries, and do hunting, and in such case, whenever a lion or a tiger would come in front of them, that would trigger the fear in them, and that would trigger a stress response, thus causing a fight or a flight response by their nervous system. Now, centuries later, as of today, each one of us perceives threat in different ways, and that triggers a stress response in our body in the same way. But today, the stress is in different form, like work pressure, pending bills, toxic relationships, meeting deadlines, and so on. So all these kind of stresses land up triggering the same response in our body, and thus lands up triggering the hormones like adrenaline, cortisol. And when this stress is there on a daily basis, that inhibits our immune system. So studies have shown that when we do meditation on a daily basis, our immunity gets better. The stress hormones go down. Also, it has been noticed that the other hormones like serotonin, endorphins, dopamine all increase, thus making us feel more calmer, more happier, and more peaceful on a daily basis. So, yes, meditation is very important. In fact, it has also been noticed that people who do meditation on a daily basis, even if they fall ill or if they have a chronic disease, when they do their meditation daily along with the medications, they are able to come out of the disease in a much better way. So now that we know so many benefits of meditation, I think it's very necessary that we devote some time on a daily basis to do meditation. So until next time, take care. Bye-bye.